Hello, welcome back guys to Amelia Projects here. Today in this video I'm going to show you a tutorial how to send a video in Gmail on Android. But before it, I have you guys click subscribe and the bell button to support this channel. And without any further ado, let's get started with the video. Well guys, firstly here of course you just have to open your Gmail applications, and now also you have to make sure that your phone is already connected to the internet. If you want to send the video from the Gmail account, here you just have to tap on this compose option at the bottom, and now you just have to make sure to who that your video is wanna send by Gmail. For example, I'm gonna send it to my first account here guys. Now just go ahead to this icon at the left on an arrow icon. Now just open the files, and as you can see from the files, you can send many media guys by document or here image. Also for the video you can send it by the Gmail. And then here for the example, I'm gonna share this video guys. Just tap on it and it will be look like this. And after, you can also add the subject. Here I'm gonna enter it again for my first Gmail account to send it. After, just tap on this arrow icon at the top, and as you can see it's sending. You just have to wait for a second, and for check it's already sent or not, you just have to go to this three lines icon. Now tap on this sent folder, and when the email is already in this page, which means your email, which is your video, is already sent here guys. So yeah, I think it's enough from me. Thank you for watching this video guys. Don't forget to leave your like and comments below, and I'll see you soon on the next one. Goodbye.